Alright, good morning! Once again, this is Teacher Sherry, and before we will start, I want you to get your pupils book, okay? Pupils book and workbook. Pupils book and workbook. But first, we will use your pupils book, okay? First, we will use pupils book, alright? Today, we will have your writing activity, okay? We will have writing today, here. And you can see this one in your pupils book, page 33, okay? But, before you will do this one, I want you to remember. I want you to remember this. That we have to write a or an before the word if it's only one, okay? If you can see only one, for example here, okay, one apple, one banana, so that's the time we will use a or an, okay? So, we will answer apple. 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 What should we use? A or an? Apple. It starts with a vowel A. Remember, there are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U, right? So, if it starts with vowel, the answer will be an. Very good. Next one. What is it? It's a banana. Banana. Banana starts with letter B. Is it a vowel or a consonant? It's a consonant. Okay? If it starts with consonant, our answer will be a banana. Okay? Understand? Alright. Now, if you will ask Teacher Sherry, Teacher, what if I can see 2, 3, 4 bananas or 5 apples? What should I do? Alright. So, if you can see more than one, all you have to do is add S. Alright? You add S at the end of the word. Okay? For example, papaya. How many papaya? There's more than 1. Okay? So, we have to add S. Easy, right? Okay. Next, we have lemon. But, it's more than 1. See? There's more than 1 lemon. So, we will write lemon plus add S. Lemons. Okay? Easy, right? Yes, very easy. Okay. So now you will have to do your shopping list. Okay? Get your pupils book. We will do page 23. Okay? Pupils book page 33. You can see there my shopping list. Okay? And Teacher Peach will guide you how to write. Since this is your writing activity, you have to write down your shopping list. Okay? How to properly write your shopping list. Okay? Alright, very good.